Discover a simple and nourishing Scandinavian-inspired meal built around vibrant dill and wholesome potatoes. This comforting dish calls for tender new or baby potatoes, boiled until just fork tender, their natural sweetness shining through. After draining, they are gently tossed in creamy butter sauce or light sour cream, and richly seasoned with generous handfuls of freshly chopped dill. The dill contributes its delicate anise like freshness, elevating the humble potatoes into something fresh and elegant. You might choose to stir the herbs directly into warm potatoes so their juices infuse deeply, or serve them chilled like a summer salad. In either version, the dish remains wholesome, making it ideal for lunch, side dish, or light dinner. This meal exemplifies Nordic simplicity. Minimal ingredients, maximum flavor. Potatoes bring potassium, fiber, and energy to the table, while dill adds antioxidants, vitamin A and C, and a burst of herbal aroma. Combined, they create a mouthfeel both creamy and herby, light yet satisfying. This combination has deep roots in Scandinavian tradition. Boiled new potatoes, paired with dill butter or dill cream sauce, are staples of Swedish, midsummer festivals and Finnish households alike. Far from heavy sauces, the balance stays fresh. The potatoes remain the star, supported by just enough sauce and herbs to accentuate natural flavor. Preparation is delightfully easy. Begin by scrubbing the potatoes and boiling them until tender. While they cook, whisk a light roux of butter and flour, gradually stirring in warmed milk or light cream until velvety. Stir in the chopped dill and gently fold in the potatoes. The warm potatoes will gently thicken the sauce. Season with salt and white or black pepper. Serve immediately for a warm side, or chill briefly for a refreshing summer salad. This recipe is versatile. Add scallions or chives for crunch, or chopped pickles for acidity. Serve alongside grilled fish, smoked salmon, gravlax, or fresh vegetables. It matches neatly with Nordic protein, choicest scallops, herring, roasted chicken, or vegetarian mains. The herbaceous dill and buttery potato base pairs beautifully with lean seafood or roasted vegetables. For richer texture, finish with a drizzle of olive oil or a sprinkle of cheese such as Parmesan or hard Swedish cheese. For a plant-based version, use vegan butter or plant-based cream and still retain full flavor and texture. This meal brings the essence of Scandinavian nourishment into your home. A balanced plate that feels light, seasonal, and satisfying. It's perfect for those who love cooking with herbs and roots, who value simplicity, and who want something flavorful without complexity. The process itself is therapeutic. Peeling small potatoes, watching them simmer gently, stirring bright dill into soft sauce, it becomes a mindful ritual. Whether you're filming for a video or cooking for family, the visual contrast of golden potatoes flecked with vibrant green dill is stunning on camera and on the table. So grab a bunch of fresh dill and a bag of baby potatoes. Boil, dress, stir, and serve. From your kitchen to your plate, you'll create a dish that echoes Scandinavian flavors, yet feels modern and vibrant. It's a humble combination that delivers nourishing comfort with every Enjoy this dill and potato dish as your go-to simple, wholesome meal. Delicious, beautiful, and satisfying.